Hello dears, how are you? We have Mathematics 3, Chapter 7, Lesson 3. We have another subject which is congruent and symmetric figures. Congruent symmetric figures, what are them? Congruent figures have the same size and the same shape. They are congruent since they have the same size, the same shape. They are equals. Why? Because they are the same shape, the same size. Look, they are equals. They are congruent. Another, congruent have the same size and the same shape. Look at them. No, their shape are different. Their size are different. No congruency. They do not have the same size and the same shape. And the congruents have the same size and the same shape. Don't forget that. Look at the two shapes. No congruent. Why? Because the purple one is big and the red one is small. They haven't the same size. They are different. The purple one is greater and the red one is smaller. They haven't any congruent. Another congruent. Draw a line passing through any two opposite vertices. This is the paper. Draw a line in this here and this heart. Draw a line. The two figures have the same opposite position in order to be congruent. Another congruent. We draw a line here. And we have another. Look at the two opposition. The two figures are not equal position and they do not congruent. Why? Because each parts are not different. When we cut into parts, one the parts is small, the parts is big. They aren't any. If you want to have a congruent, the parts should be equals, the same size, the same shape. I hope you learn which time two shapes can congruent if they are the same shape and the same size. You can say they are congruent, but if they're for example size different, one square is big, one square is small, they are not congruent because they are different in size, or it's square and the other one is triangle. Their shape are different. That time also are not congruent. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.